Hi, great people. So, thank y'all for tuning in, first and foremost. So, we're going to get straight into it. As you notice, this is all me, all natural, turmeric mud mask. So, we are going to start with a fresh face, of course. Now, when you first get the turmeric mud mask, it is packed to preserve. So, we're going to mix that up. So you don't need a stick. Once you hit the brush, paintbrush, or your fingers on it, it's going to really soften up. So you don't have to stir it up. I just wanted to show you guys because that was a brand new one. Now I do want to show you guys the one that I've been using, which is a sample. And that's how it actually looks once you're already into it. So let's get into our skin. Alright, so we are starting. Now we do start with very little, just to start on our face because the face is dry. Once the turmeric mud mask is on the skin, it does soften up, as you can see. The main ingredients in this turmeric mud mask is vitamin C. Great for pigmentation, hyperpigmentation, acne. This mud mask fights acne. I haven't had acne since I've used it, and this is true. Euphoria's turmeric mud mask can be used any and everywhere. Now, as you can see, I am placing it under my eyes to prevent dark marks and also cracks or any lines that may want to form later on in life. This mask is the only mask that actually helps fight acne while also keeping my skin tone. This is magic. This mask is all natural and can be worn for however long you like. Now, I generally place the mask on my face and then get in the bath or the shower maybe. I've also prepared dinner while wearing the mask. I've also exercised while wearing the mask. You can do any and everything with this mask applied. Now, you do want to make sure you apply the mask finely and evenly on your face, because if you don't, it'll drip. But if it does, it's okay. You do want to pat, don't wipe, just pat as it drips, and then you'll still be fine. Now, if you struggle with dark marks, you do want to make sure that you do get under your eyes. The mask can be applied over your eyelids. If you do get the mask in your eyes, it won't burn or anything. Everything is natural, so it is completely safe to get a bit in your eyes, but you don't want to get it in your eyes. Don't get it in your eyes. Don't listen to me. Go around the eyes. Euphoria is the lip scrub is the best for Z lips. Oh my goodness, it's so good. It's so good. It's so look, I just want to eat it, but I can't. But can I? Everything is natural, so I really can. I've eaten it so many times. It's so sweet. Everything natural. Check out the ingredients on the website. We have to keep those lips soft. Okay. On to the next. We're going to go ahead and get this off of our face because it's time now. Now, I would love to say that this skin can't be bought, but I would be completely wrong. It is never too late to get into your skin. Euphoria skin is the best. This is how skin should look all the time. You can also use Euphoria skin products before and after applying makeup. All Euphoria skin products are actually great for a prime for makeup. Check me out. Now, Euphoria Skin Rose Water can be applied to remove makeup, any type of makeup that is, lipstick, mascara, foundation, anything. Made from real roses, by the way. Euphoria Skin Enhanced Serum. Now, I use this serum 2 to 3 times a week to prevent bags, any cracks that may want to crack up, even though, black don't crack. But we just want to keep our skin tight. You got to keep everything tight around here. You. It is very important to rub upwards because we would hate for our skin to fall. We would love for our skin to rise. So we rub in an upwards motion, up under our eyes, up under our chin, neck area. Rub upwards. Thank you. Euphoria Skin Rosebud Oil is packed with natural light oils. You can never apply too much. This is the last step. So, thank you all again for getting into your skin with Euphoria Skin.